Practice Set 2. Extended Conversations. Directions. Now you will hear a longer conversation. After the conversation, you will hear several questions. The conversation and questions will not be repeated. After you hear a question, read the 4 possible answers in your test book and choose the best answer. Then, on your answer sheet, find the number of the question and fill in the space that corresponds to the letter of the answer you have chosen. Remember, you are not allowed to take notes or write in your book. Now we will begin Practice Set 2. Listen to a conversation between a college student and his advisor.
Good morning, Steve. What can I do for you?
Well, I've decided I want to transfer to a smaller college.
I know you've had a rough time adjusting, Steve, but I'm sorry to hear you want to leave.
What I need to do now is find a new college, and I was hoping you might have some ideas.
I might, but first I think I ought to warn you about some of the potential problems with transferring. The main one is how many of your credits will be accepted by your new college.
You mean they won't all be transferable?
Not necessarily. It'll depend on what courses you've taken here and how they fit in with the requirements at the other school. So, whatever college you choose, be sure to find out about transferring your credits.
Who would I talk to about something like that?
First, check with the admissions officer. Then, follow up with the registrar's office. Now, the other thing I wanted to caution you about is thinking that a transfer will solve all your problems.
I'm not sure I understand what you mean.
Well, I know you haven't been happy this semester, but are you sure changing colleges is going to be the answer?
I like my classes, except for composition. The math department is everything I expected it to be, but maybe if my roommate and I had hit it off better, that's really bothering me more than anything else.
Really? Did you talk to someone at the residence office? It might be that changing roommates would make all the difference.
I might just do that.
Number 1. Why does Steve visit the advisor? Number 2. What is one possible problem the counselor points out to Steve? Number 3. What is Steve's main problem in adjusting to his college? Number 4. Where will Steve probably go to get his problem solved? This is the end of Practice Set 2.